when cleaning a side glass in preparation to install the film, I want to make simple. You could spend 5 minutes over here cleaning and end up with contamination, or you can do it in just a minute and have no contamination. So let's make it simple, okay? I like to start with the glass about 1 inch to 1.5 inches open, so I can have access to this whole part of the glass. I'm gonna get it sprayed with the window cleaner, okay? This is a window cleaner. I have 2 different solutions. That's window cleaner. Now, when I start cleaning the glass, I'm gonna start on the edge. See, I went as far as I could over there inside the channel, and now I'm gonna go down and inside the channel. This is only half, right? Now I'm gonna go the other way. You see, I'm covering the whole glass as far as I can. Then I go down and I come down. Now I already bladed, now I can put it up. Now I'm gonna go down here. In terms of blading this glass, it's done. There's no need for anything else here. Now I want to rinse it. Keep in mind, I am going to stage this glass. So I want to make sure I clean it as much as I can. Now I'm going to use something like this, or you can use something like this, which is a tool specific for this. I'm going to get it in between there, if I can. Some cars will be easier, some cars will be a little more tight. Now I want to make sure I rinse that as best as I can. I'm going to rinse it and I'm going to squeegee. Now I'm going to start here and I'm going to use the frame of the car. Okay? Now I know that this part of it is clean. I'm going to go one way. Whichever direction you decide to go, keep on that direction. Don't go back and forth, because you get crap from here, bring it over there. If you go back now, you're bringing everything back. So stick with one direction. Now I want to clean that edge. Clean this edge. Now I already did it once over here. I'm going to do it again. Now I'm going to lower the glass. And I want to make sure, and that's why I gave you one of these. I want to make sure I clean this edge going up, because I cleaned from here down with the spray gun, and now I want to clean that. I don't want to blast too much water over here, because if it grabs anything, it's going to bring it down. That's why I'm using the towel. Both edges. Now I'll do the top of the glass. And if I am true staging, I am ready for it. This is the last thing I need to do. Now I'm going to do once again over here. I don't go over there, I go over here, okay? Just to make sure it's clean. Now because I'm too stagey, I'm just going to get it over there. And I want to clean this. I don't need this anymore. Now I mentioned that there's different ways of true staging. One of them is just cleaning this part over here. Remember I said I was going to show you a trick to avoid runs. Now everything is wet, so there will be no runs. Now I want to go to my board, get this film. Some people will do a partial liner. I don't. Here's what I do. I get the film out of here, I get the liner. When the liner it's a little stubborn, I just grind it and get it off. Now, this is one way of doing it, okay? You can put the liner over here to protect the film from grabbing any crap on the panel. Remember my first one is just to kind of anchor over there. Now I make the adjustment that I need to make. Now I want to make sure I dry that edge so that there's no water over there. Now you see this liner, look at what happened to the liner. See the liner, it's on the film, right?
Yeah.
Get it out of the way. Lift it just to get all that crap out of there. Lift the edge. You can use one of these. That's it. For true staging, that's done.